Congratulations to Nigerians as they celebrate 63 years of independence. The years that have been marked with gloom, darkness. The years that we had big opportunities and lost opportunities. And on that date that they celebrated their independence, their anniversary, the youth rose up in numbers in different states. Lagos, Kaduna.
This is the popular Ikeja, the capital of Lagos State, Nigeria's commercial news center. And this mammoth crowd is a group of people known as Obedience, a movement supporting the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi. This group of people, who are made up of mostly young Nigerians, say they are desperate for good governance in the country. As a result, they decided to come out en masse, marching across the streets of Lagos to show solidarity to their candidate ahead of the presidential election.
Kaduna, Cross River, Abia, Edo, Delta. The list continued to speak in one voice that a new Nigeria is possible, according to Peter Obi, the presidential flag bearer of the Labour Party. As we prepare for the next general election in Nigeria, the battle is drawn between the status quo and the new Nigeria. In Peter Obi, the late Odumegwu Ojukwu called him Peter the Rock. To me, his speech thanking his supporters and affirming that a new Nigeria is possible after the rallies that head across Nigeria reminds me of Obama. When Obama first appeared on the stage for the Democrats, he said, and I quote, "There is no blue America and there is no red America. There is no red state, there is no blue state." All he saw then was America. And Peter Obi said that a new Nigeria was possible, and it's still possible, from the way the youth rose in their numbers to chant one song, "Give us Peter Obi." Remember, a new poll came and the results showed too that if election were held today in Nigeria, that Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, will emerge as the winner. Critics said no. Naysayers didn't believe that, for the single fact that Peter Obi is from the southeastern part of the country, an Igbo man. If such a pool had come in favor of Bola Tinubu, the presidential candidate of APC, or Atiku Abubakar, the presidential candidate of PDP, I think would have been widely accepted. When Obama ran for the president of the United States of America, nobody gave him a chance. It's not because he wasn't capable, not because he wasn't intelligent enough, but the single fact that this man came from the minority, a black man. After all the years of neglect and suppression of the blacks, nobody believed that Obama could become the president of Nigeria, including my humble self. I supported Hillary Clinton for the reason that I believe that it was time women took center stage in the world politics. But when Obama spoke, I saw that a new America was possible. A new America for young and old, according to him. Through Peter Obi, the youth have spoken. And with the prayer of Doyin Okupe, the Director General of Peter Obi presidential campaign team.
Today, by His grace, I am the Director General of the Obi Dati Campaign Organization. In that capacity, I have power and authority to run the affairs of this campaign But today, publicly, I surrender all that power and authority to the
presidential campaign team showed me that there is nothing God cannot do. That is possible after all the years of neglect, after all the years of looting, after all these years of corruption and inept leadership, that a new Nigeria is possible. That another Obama is on course in Nigeria. If we were to be a country where right is right and wrong is wrong, trust me, the APC will not be running this election, because it's a party like the 16 years of PDP that has plagued Nigeria in debt, divided Nigeria along ethnic and religious lines, worse than any government has ever done. Their promises of jobs was not kept. Their promises of security, zero. Their promises of robust economy, zero. Nigeria is running on borrowed time. And Bola Tinubu, when he declared that he was running for the president of Nigeria, said that he will continue the legacy of the present administration. Only for the spokesman, weeks later, Kiyamu Festus, admitted that Nigerians are hungry. That Nigerians will not vote based on ethnic sentiments or religious sentiments. He indicted the government that he is part of. And the next day, rumors went aboard that he's been removed as the spokesman for the presidential campaign of Bola Tinubu. Nigerians, you are saying, give us Peter Obi. I hope your PVC will be ready to vote out this government that is inept. To vote not based on sentiments. To vote not based on religion. To vote not based on ethnicity. We are saying, according to you, we are tired. As you wake up, you wish you are on that side of life. It's the youth. You wake up and you think that by chance, God will ferry you across to America or ferry you across to Europe. Is Nigeria today the way you want it? It's time for all of us to take back our country. I watched today as the women marched on the streets of Lagos for Ahmed Bola Tinubu. That is the status quo. The same woman that were giving bags of rice, bags of tomatoes, bags of onions. The Bulovan political era is over. It's time that we look ourselves in the mirror and tell ourselves the truth. The fact that Nigeria is in a hurry, going nowhere. And except we do the needful and say, give us a man with integrity. Let us change this course. It's possible. Another Obama is in the offing, is in the making in Nigeria. Are we going to do it? This is Chris Digos in Open Whispers. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. Until we meet again in the arena. Cheers.